I just got a box from Becca Cosmetics. So this is my first ever experience in using this brand, but I've never used the brand's items before. So this is my absolute first impression / review for their foundation, Ultimate Coverage Foundation, 24 hours. And they sent me the color Chestnut. And I also got a Becca First Lightning, a Becca, the brand, their first light priming filter instant complexion refresh. Let's get into the video. I believe that this foundation is $44. I'm not sure the price on the primer. I'm going to start. I already have moisturized my face. I'm going to prime my face. This is the primer. Probably can't smell it yet. So we got it open. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Some came out. It smells okay. So with this review, we're gonna do a really natural look. It's nice and warm outside, so yeah, so we're gonna do a natural, nice soft look, but we're still gonna make sure we get the results, or you know how we're feeling about this foundation. So as I showed you guys, this is the foundation box. Says Becca on it, and we're gonna open it. I hear good things about Becca, but I hear good things about a lot of people and a lot of things, but you know, some stuff isn't for everybody, so we are going to see. As I already figured, the box in this, I already knew that this was not the color, but just to let you guys know, this is their darkest shade. It looks a little orange. It looks a little orange on camera, but hopefully it dries a different way. This is their darkest shade though, so there's nothing after this. So this is why they sent me this one, because if they sent me something else, I will probably have to use it as a concealer. So I like that this has a pump, and it's a really nice structured pump, if I say so myself. So I'm going to damp my beauty blender really quick. I'm using a beauty blender for this so we can see. I'm gonna do my normal routine. We're gonna see how we like this. I like to dampen my stuff with some setting spray because I don't like to run to the sink all the time. See how easy it comes out.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's a fresh bottle. Okay, so what I'm seeing is it pumps out a tad darker than the bottle. I like to smell stuff, guys, sorry, but that also helps me further evaluate if I'm going to purchase an item, you know, or keep it. We are going to go ahead and get into this foundation. All right, so I had to bring you guys up and personal all over my face. Okay guys, so I have put the foundation on one side of my face, and I think that it's pretty full coverage. What I can say is that if you're doing something more dramatic or you want a full pack on, you're gonna need more than like 5, but that's nothing. I mean, if you want coverage, you gotta get it. But if you guys can tell, I'm sure you can, this side has the foundation on it and this side does not. I wonder how long it takes this stuff to dry, like to be matte. I mean, here's just 24 hours, like 24-hour coverage. So I might have lied about something. So when I said that, oh, let's just roll the clip.
You're gonna need more than like 5 pumps.
Okay, so when I said that, I was lying. I think 4 or 5 pumps would be good for full coverage or extra coverage or whatever else it is. I still have foundation on my hand, okay, and this is enough for me. Like, this is definitely enough for me. So you only need like 4 or 5, 2 to 3 for a natural, you know, everyday look, guys. Okay, so as it's drying, I can see that it's getting darker. Once again, it's a little orange on camera, but I can see that it's getting a little darker. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish my makeup. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, so this right here this is the finish. Look guys, I'm so excited for summer. Okay, next month is June and I am just so excited. This foundation, at first let me say that it blends immaculately well. Okay, give it a clap. Let's give it a clap if we should. It blends greatly. It does not stank or stink. It does not lank or leak. It has a handy dandy pump it up. This foundation, it seems to be fine. It seems to be good. It seems to be well. It feels about right, as it should. I don't think any foundation I have worn I've worn a MAC foundation, but we're not going to go into detail about that because this video does not concern them. But that had my face feeling pretty heavy. That was like when I first started into liking makeup, so I might have did something wrong, but all I know is I did that and I never went back to that. I like the pump, I like the packaging, I like how it feels, I like how it spreads easily, like when I'm applying it, so a little goes a decent way. It doesn't go too long of a way because it's pretty thick. It's not loose or anything, which I am thinking, is this oil free or I don't know. Okay, so it is oil free. That makes so much sense. It's lightweight and oil free, which they are completely true. It creates a second skin effect of undetectable, flexible coverage with a natural long wear finish. So that's what the box say. I would say that it does feel like it's oil free first and foremost. It feels really decent on my skin. Like, it feels good for the most part, like a foundation should. It doesn't really have a feeling. What else did they say? Oh, they said something about a natural like finish, which I think that it does. I also like when I put it on at first and I had it on half of my face, we could tell, you should be able to as well, you could tell the difference. It's not a major difference, like you could tell the difference, but you can't. I know that it dries pretty quick. I got some on my hand. I had to like wipe it off with a with a makeup wipe. I couldn't just like wipe it. I had to like I had to get up in there. But guys, whoa, did you guys see that? I have to get a new camera. My camera like changes colors. But yeah guys, I think that this foundation is decent. You can't even tell that this is the foundation on my skin right now, today, right here, May something 2018. Guys, this is, because the bottle, it looks like it's for a light brown skin girl, but when it dries out, it dries like amazingly. And when I put it on, it did not look like it was not for me. That's about it right now. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I am going to go ahead and come back to you guys in about 6 hours. I won't keep this on for 24 because I have to work in the morning and I like to wash my face before I go to sleep. But I'm gonna keep this on It's around 2 o'clock right now. I'm gonna come back to you guys around 8 p.m. 8, 9. The latest I can do, I'll probably try. I'm gonna aim for 10 p.m. Come back to you guys so you guys can see like how my face looks when it is worn throughout the day. Okay guys, so I am back. I just wanted to let the makeup sit a little bit. This is how the foundation looks. So like I told you guys, this is a Becca foundation, ultimate coverage 24 hours, and this is the color that I got, chestnut, and that's one of their new colors. Their other new colors are vanilla, ivory, linen, and walnut. So they've added 5 new colors to their line, which is really cool. It's always good to see brands adding more colors, whether they're darker or whether they're lighter. Looking at their thing, they can definitely go darker because there's people darker than me, and this goes on my skin pretty well. But looking at this, I can tell that they have to go way lighter as well. I mean, these are pretty fair-skinned colors. Porcelain is supposed to be really light, but I think that they could go a little lighter, and they can go up to like albino, which should be everyone's goal, to be as dark as they can, as light as they can, just to have diversity. It's a ton of different people out here. We might even have to start making green foundation and blue foundation and orange foundation. It's available online at beccacosmetics.com, Sephora, and Ulta Beauty. It started to be available last month on the 21st, this foundation. Yeah, April 21st, and it's coming to the stores in May, so check out your stores now. So yeah guys, that's my review for the Becca Cosmetics foundation. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video if people are looking for new foundations and want to know, you know, people with different skin tones that want to see different outlooks. Make sure that you leave comments. Also follow me on my social medias. I only have Instagram and Twitter right now. Those are the only things I'm like active on. I will see you guys in the next video.